In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Excel 2010. While updating this version of Excel isn't as straightforward as it once was, there are still steps you can take to ensure you're using the latest patches available. Let's dive into how to approach this task and discuss the best way forward if you're still relying on Excel 2010. To start with, you might remember that Excel 2010 used to allow updates directly through the application itself. If you're hoping to update this way, here's what you would do. Open Excel 2010 and head over to the File tab. From there, navigate to Help. You would then click on Check for Updates. This option used to be a simple way to find available patches, but since official support for Excel 2010 has ended, this method may no longer work as intended. Understanding the support lifecycle is crucial here. Mainstream support for Excel 2010 ended way back on October 13, 2015. This was followed by the ending of extended support on October 13, 2020. What this means for you is that Microsoft is no longer releasing any updates, be they security-related or otherwise. As a result, automatic updates are simply not possible anymore. Therefore, if you're hanging on to Excel 2010, you'll need to take additional steps to ensure your software is as up-to-date as it can be. You might still be able to find older patches through the Microsoft Update Catalog or the Download Center, which can be a useful resource. For example, patches like KB3191855 from March 2017 or KB2889836 from 2014 might still be available for download. However, these updates need to be manually downloaded and installed on your system. Now, it's important to address the risks you face by continuing to use Excel 2010. The absence of ongoing security patches means your system becomes increasingly vulnerable to security threats over time. Without these vital updates, you're at a higher risk for potential security breaches or compatibility issues with newer software and systems. Simply put, it's much safer to consider upgrading to a more recent version of Office. Many experts and users recommend this course of action. Upgrading to a currently supported version like Office 2021 or Microsoft 365 is highly advisable. Doing so not only keeps you secure, but also ensures that your software remains compatible with other tools and services. Plus, newer versions come with a host of improved features and functionality that Excel 2010 simply can't offer. So if you're still operating with Excel 2010, consider your options carefully and make a move toward a more secure, updated version of Excel. This will help you stay ahead and make the most out of your software for both personal and professional use.